Okay guys, at andito kami sa beach. Oh, subarashi desu ne. Yan yun guys yung view. Boom! Meron tayong cell tower doon. At isang, asa na yung mall? Yung mall doon. At boom! Look at the view. Very clear, very awesome guys. Guys, kumakain kami dito. Ito si Mama, ito ako. At ito si Nicole. And I really need a haircut, guys. Look, it's overlapping my ear. 好吧，你知道吗？我还是加上中文字幕和英文字幕吧，因为我知道我的中文发音不太标准。哈？这真的好难啊！ Alright, enough with the Chinese, bro. It's so freaking hard. What? How do people even learn that? It's so hard, guys. Way Buchi, but I gotta speak English from now on, or Tagalog. Tagalog is the language from my country, so yeah. It's so hard. I'm really sorry, dude. What? It's so hard. Just watching some KSO videos. And just like that, guys, I have a haircut. It literally looks like a bowl cut, guys. Like a modernized version of bowl cut. It looks like, what? Bowl cut 2.0. But I just finished the college entrance yesterday. College entrance exam yesterday. I actually got 66 over 100. So I guess it wasn't bad. Like, guys, I literally didn't even review for the exam. But I still got 66 over 100. Pretty okay, like, you know, no review, still got like over 50%. That's not even bad, to be honest. Okay guys, before we continue to the video, if you guys have any feedback whether I should, you know, make my videos longer or shorter, or if I should make them more engaging, put other language or subtitles, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, leave a like please, as that really helps my channel out, and also subscribe if you want to see more vlogs just like this. Anyway, let's go back to the video. Liminal spaces. Liminal spaces. Oh. Okay guys, tapos magpapa-enroll na ako guys, magpapa-enroll. Hey guys. Alright guys, and just like that, I have finished enrolling college. Boom guys, it's gonna be so good. Yeah. So we got kind of like it's called sago. It's like a jelly or something. And then also just jelly with marshmallows and, you know, condensed milk and all those good stuff. And I'm gonna try this. This is gonna be so good. Yeah, let me actually try this first, guys. Let me actually try it. Right there. Okay, let me try this real quick. It's so good, guys. It's a little too sweet, though. I don't really like a lot of sweet foods, so... I mean, I don't really like sweet foods too much, so... I'd rate this, 8.5, I guess. Guys, I just bought this from 7-Eleven. This is gonna be really, really spicy. Obviously, it's made in Korea, dude. This is gonna be really spicy, and... I'm gonna try this. It's gonna be real spicy, guys. Howda. Are you kidding me? Am I supposed to shake this? Oh. Bali pa sa gitin.
Yan na kain ng mga gulay. Ang isa, hindi yan kakain ng ganyan. Green lang ka siya. Mga malunggay. Okay? Mga kalabasa.
Ano pa mga kapatid? Yung nagkain sa kanila, biyang pagod, hindi man na, ay, nagkaw na kanina, ano? Binut ka? Or makaunti. Sige, sige na, mo si mama. Yung nasinig ngaon.
So spicy.
Ako eh. Ay, sa ilo. Ang tayo lang.
大家好，我是中国人。I literally haven't drank my milk like a bit, dude. It's so freaking spicy. No milk challenge. Look at this wet. What the frick? I only get to eat this a month. Once a month. Guys, I am sweating so bad right now. Guys, ito si Pingloy. Wow, wow. Pati daw sili, guys, kinain ko na. Yung sili guys, hindi nga naman maanghang yung sili, guys. Almost done. I have finished it. Officially done. Just demolish this plate. Next month again.
Guys, eno siya.
So spicy. Like, guys, like, look at my lips. It is fucking red. I mean, it's not too red, but look. Okay, you know what? It looks normal. What the frick? Alright guys, just clean the kitchen just like that. Now we got some, okay, I mean there's some bubbles right there, but you know it's still gonna get dry anyway, so yeah.
Itong sa imo, sa imo napupunta mo sa sinin, sugad-tugad dahil tawa ka sila. Ako kampong niya, magsugad sinin. Pila daw kami, sa kanyaya, pila naman po. Mabuti, pila naman bata. Aki gubon nunaw.
Gusto talaga. Work man udto.
Ikaw?
Nagkuhan lang ako ice cream. Ano?
English na?
Siya naghalala ko rin.
And as always, we're in the kitchen, and you know what that means. I gotta do my job. Just destroyed the entire kitchen. Guys, look, this is where we're gonna go and bye-bye. We have 6,000 possums. Bye-bye City Lady Philippines. We have Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. Bye-bye City Lady Philippines. And then we have Great Wall. Yeah, guys, we're going to China. Just used a freaking cleanser and look how dirty it is, guys. There's literally brown. Look, see, look at that. This is literally dirt when I sleep and I don't use a cleanser, dude. Guys, tingnan nyo, wala na. Di ma-focus. Boom. Ano na to, guys? Spider na pati kwarto ko, guys. Oh, boom. 1 million spider. Yun na. GG. Na guys, oh. Papasukin na tinga ko nito magkatulog, guys. Wala na. Guys, look how bad this freaking LCD is. Look, are you actually serious? Bruh, there's like a barcode on the freaking screen, dude. So I'm gonna give you guys some context. Basically, today is Saturday, and tomorrow we're going to Bye Bye, which is the day I've been waiting because I really want to go there, guys. Like, I've literally been in this house for like an entire month with repeated days, dude. Wash dishes, watch television, play mobile games, use my phone. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. We get the Adidas jacket, Boys Academy t-shirt, jersey, and some loose pants. So yeah. Gonna bring coffee. And ayun, guys, wala pa yung van. Tulog pa yata, guys.
Uy, nakandaduhan na to. Ano yung nag-lock si Manay sa niya? Kita ko nag-lock ba? Ay, yak si Maram. Uy, nakandaduhan na to, eh.
Sige.
Bakala ka ano nga eh.
Eh, nakandaduhan na to.
Ha?
Hey guys, kumusta? Welcome to my vlog. Boom. Ano ba yun?
Kabayo.
Ito, unindo to. Tuwo, si-upload to.
Ay, basta. Wow!
Budas na yung maura dito.
Alright guys, punta na kami dito, guys.
May dabahubog, no? Tapos,
Sin mama kay sin mama.
Kitatanaan. Kaya na't iba. Kami 50.
Oh, dito si Bagay pala yan.
Ay, mahugdong pala yan. Ha? Yeah, kagdan pala yan. Ito guys, si Anthony, parang depressed. Nakatingin sa horizon. Horizon of the deep blue sea.
Salit ko yung mamat.
Guys, featuring Pingloy.
Yan.
Manabis kaya.
Oh, hindi.
Ang dinaw.
Abot na si Tia, minabot na. Ang video. Pag-init Tia.
Email ka nunoy.
Ibog ka mga tutanang niya. I-video. Sige, picture. Pagura man ay sa do, ito nanay doy. Alay nako, picture kami tanan doy. Alay nako doy ha, nakiaga.
Yan na guys, na-addict na guys. Guys, ito yung lugar kung saan depressed kayo at titingin kayo sa horizon.
Sana?
Tingnan kayo guys. Sa buhay, madami ang pagsubok nating madadaanan. Pero sa kalagitnaan ng ating buhay, kailangan natin magpahinga ng walang hanggan. Kasi ang buhay ay nakakapagod.
Hello guys. We're here.
One, bukan itu ya. One, two, one, two. Okay. Ubat namin. Dito lang.
Wiwas, parkingan sa kuwan. Parkingan sa kabayo, parkingan. Ano naman?
Sakay ba ikaw? Ay, mukhang na kuya ha. Uy!
Hala. Yan guys. Dagat ng mga ano bang Tagalog ng clouds. Bobo talaga ako mag-Tagalog guys. Sorry lang talaga guys. Dagat ng mga dampog. I don't know anong Tagalog ng clouds. Guys, sakay na guys, may nakaparking guys, oh may nakaparking. Ito yung guys, kabayo. Hashtag kabayo na nerf. Guys, na nerf yung kabayo. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ano? Konnichiwa minasan. Watashi. Ora. Kawain ano neko. Konnichiwa minasan. Watashi no namae wa Christian desu. Fire. と申しました。これからも、これは、バイバイシティだよね。
Nag-in-check ano pagod?
これは日本語ですよ。ハポン。ハポン。そして、今は、私は、なんだこれは。ほら皆さん welcome incredible cafe この人は私の母です。お綺麗ね花。Torii Gate Filipino version guys. Yan. Bamboo Gate daw guys. Gate to the spiritual world. Guys, liminal spaces version 9. Level 9 guys, liminal spaces backrooms. Dajahaw, Tasher, Woda Mama.
Ang payong hay sinakadara.
Ha? Kanina guys, nakabangs. Ngayon, ano na to? Wow! Naka-curtain banks na. Anong klase yun? So, papalakad na kami guys, papunta sa baba. Kung saan. Sasakay na naman ng van. Wow! Motion sickness is waving. Papunta sa next destination, which is church na pupuntahan namin. Mag-atin pa kami ng mass, tapos punta kami sa Lintaon. Ref Magnet. Yun yung Lintaon Peak kung saan mayroon yung 16,000 yata yun na cherry blossoms. Ay hindi ko alam anong tawag yun. Cherry blossoms. Ay hindi cherry blossom. Ano yan? Sakura. Wow. Japan. China. Ano yun? Hindi ko alam guys. Basta 16,000 yun na nakalimutan ko anong klaseng flowers. Basta 6,000 yun. Tapos pumunta kami doon. So hopefully cloudy lang at hindi uulan at hindi rin sisikat ang araw ng napakainit kasi napakainit talaga doon guys sa Lintaon kasi walang masisilungan, napakainit doon. So, I'll see you guys later at the next location, alright? So, ito guys yung daan pa uwi.
Gari kita nga.
Napakalayo dito guys, like I think 1 kilometer yata yung lakarin namin, pero at least pababa na, hindi pataas. Guys,
Oh, duha pera.
Si Babay. Si
Babay.
Lima.
Oh, sige.
Ako ko, lako. Tubig kay... Ano sa...
alright guys, so may mass dito sa ano yan, Diocesan Shrine of Saint Anthony of Paduagan. Okay guys, so nag-attend kami ng mass at ngayon tapos na yung mass guys, at magpipicture na lang kami dito guys. Napakainit, at least hindi na maulan. Hindi na kami dito guys, magpicture na kami dito. Okay guys, so babalik na kami sa van. Hindi na kami sa bye-bye guys, barangay Kumpunan yata to, hindi ko alam. Guys, boom, roller coaster. Enjoyable yung experience.
Tidak kami stun. Jis. 20 ada jis.
Oh, pwede rin mapasok ka duro.
Pwede diri mapasok.
At guys, lulusad na kami guys. Guys, lulusad na kami. Aw, ano ba
Ay,
to?
ako din Tagalog.
Tagalog, sa
Lulusad na kuno kami guys. Lulusad na.
Bababa na, bababa.
Ano ba naman tong vlogger na to? Gutom na siguro.
Peak guys, peak ng hill. Honto ni subarashi desu ne. Guys, yun guys, oh. Pati kapatid ko guys, nagba-vlog. Neng. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Meng. Pranking ka to. Kamusta? Oy, joke lang, oy. Joke lang. It's a prank. Uy. So 50% my trust issues. Oh no, joke lang. Oy, pre, joke. Chill lang. Chill. Joke lang. So, kumusta na boy buhay? Interview. Oy, wag par, okay lang. Okay lang par. Wag par, baka may rabies ka kasi par. Par, baka kasi may rabies ka, wag kang lumapit sa akin. Okay guys, so andito na kami sa downtown ng Baybay. Alright guys, nandito ako sa K5 na ngayon.
Ay na kung kanon. Tama na pagduroha.
Guys, tingin niyo yan guys, may vlogger. May 360 camera siya guys, 360 camera. Grabe no guys. Akala ko ako lang vlogger dito guys, may vlogger pa pala dito. At yun guys, pauwi na kami guys. Red lips ko dahil sa royal or orange or red, I don't know.
Open window na lang.
Alright guys, thank you sa panood ng aking vlog. See you guys next time. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you guys later.